If you have a basic bodice sewing pattern like this, then you can make so many designs with it. Watch this video till the end and I'll show you how to transform your sewing pattern into 3 different designs. Hi, I'm Nasrin, the designer behind Needle Eye Patterns, and recently I started a series of videos on my channel on how to make the most out of your sewing patterns. Let's get started. The bodice pattern that I'm using here is from the Arezzo blouse sewing pattern, which you can find it on my website. I'll put a link for you here. The first design that I'm making is a simple V-neck top. From the neckline going down, measure how deep you like the opening to be. I measured 15 centimeter. That gives me something like this. I also opened the neck on the shoulder for a few centimeter. Now, if the opening is more than 5 centimeter below the neckline, like mine, you need to close a dart for the neck. Otherwise, the neckline gets so loose and wonky and doesn't stay nicely. So, from the tip of the dart, draw a line to the neckline, then cut the line. Now also cut one side of the dart, but make sure it's still attached to the paper. Now on the neckline, measure 1.5 centimeter from the line. Now turn the paper until the line meets the mark. And tape. Now we're going to draw a new neckline. And you can cut it off. So this is your dart, which got a little bigger. And your pattern is ready. The second design is a halter top with gathering around the neck. From the tip of the dart, draw a line to the neckline. Then cut one leg of the dart. And also cut on the line. Now close the dart and tape. The armhole on these tops starts few centimeters below the shoulder point and they're usually attached to a neckband. I also dropped the armhole for 2 centimeters. Now we need to close a dart for the armhole, otherwise it gets a little bit wonky. Draw a line from the tip of the dart to the armhole, then measure 1.5 centimeter on the armhole and mark. Now cut on the line. Turn the paper until the line meets the mark. And tape. Now you can draw the armhole and cut it out. Place a piece of paper under the pattern. Now we need to smooth out the neckline. Just go a little bit below that sharp corner and curve up a little bit between the lines. And done. Hey, are you enjoying this video? Then let me know by leaving a comment or hit that like button for me. This way I know what works and what doesn't. Okay, let's go back. The third design is a cowl neck top. First, you need to decide how deep you like the neckline to be. I lowered the neckline 9 centimeter, and this gives me something like this. But the lower you go, you get different looks. Now from tip of the dart, draw a line square to the center front. Now cut on the line and one leg of the dart. Close the dart and tape. Now from the shoulder, draw a line parallel to the neckline. Then another line from the corner of the armhole to the corner of the new dart. Now we cut off the neckline. And these two lines, you cut them, but make sure they're still attached to the shoulder. Place a paper underneath. Make sure the center front is lined up with the edge of the paper and tape it down. Now, from that top corner of the pattern, draw a line square to the edge of the paper. Line up the top edge of the pattern with that line and tape. Now bring this piece to the middle, tape it down. Now you can smooth out the shoulder here and cut around the pattern. Also cut off these corners that are poking out. This corner should be 90 degrees and you cut the center front on the fold of the fabric. And that's all for this video. More videos for pattern hacks are coming up, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time.